hire for attitude, train for skills, and look for leadership capabilities in your new potential employees. These were the words from Herbs Kalahar, the famous CEO of Southwest Airlines, and most of you must be aware that Herbs Kalahar is known for his leadership and management capabilities. Why he said so? Because he believed that skills can be taught, and at the later stage leadership capabilities can be built, but hiring a person with a negative attitude can spoil the culture of the organization, and it becomes very difficult to change them at the later stage. Why it is difficult? We all know that the negative attitude that we have develops over years of experience. After a certain time, they become the freeze circuit in our brain, and in order to change them, obviously we need to unfreeze them first. And if somebody doesn't know what sort of negative attitude he has, then the first and the foremost important point is he should be aware about those negative areas, and then it becomes easy to unfreeze them. Otherwise, what you will unfreeze if you don't know what's the problem? Once that has been identified, you can ask yourself the 5 whys, which we also use in quality to do the root cause analysis. So, for example, you have this lethargic behavior and you want to improve it. You always delay a task to a certain level. Over the period of year, this has been a permanent pattern of your personality, delaying things, So you can ask yourself this question: why I am like this? The 5 whys. Maybe you don't like the task. Why you don't like the task? Maybe you don't have the skills. Why you don't have the skills? You have not worked on improving those skills. Why you have not worked on improving those skills? Maybe you like to stay in your comfort zone. Why you like to stay in your comfort zone? Maybe you lack the motivation. Like, for example, why you might be thinking, why should I get out of my comfort zone? So doing your asking this 5 whys from yourself, you can eventually reach to the root cause of the problem. And as I mentioned earlier, that once it has been identified, you can always fix them. You can now ask the how part. How I am going to now fix those problems. For example, why you lack motivation? How can you motivate yourself? How can you get out of your comfort zone? How can you improve your skills? Right? So you can obviously develop a strategy to get out of this lethargic mindset. As I mentioned earlier, these are the hard-coded, freezed programs in our brain, and until unless we are not aware about them, it becomes very difficult to change them.